Why she's making a lot of noise? Because by the time the Menara is ready, it takes another 5 years, not even during my time. But we have forward planning because DBKL is expanding. We need to house everybody in one roof so that we can serve, give better service to our clients, which is the public. That's all. Apa mau marah saya? 300 juta. We've got the money. We have the money. It's not that we're going to borrow. And once it's completed, we might sell other buildings which we are renting. Which we have. And we will save money on rentals in other places which we are renting.